If you want to know how to make proper Argentinian chimichurri with this mix right here, which by the way, I make my own chimichurri with my own ingredients and everything. Probably most of the times they're fresh ingredients, but I have to say that this is actually a really good mix that comes with everything you need. They're super fresh for sure, and also comes with all the necessary instructions and materials you're gonna need. You can see this as Argentine chimichurri and a steak seasoning. I think is the best, for sure, the best seasoning around. I really like chimichurri, and for sure, as I was saying before, this is a really good mix. Let me actually show you how to prep it. So as you can see, I used some of this before. I actually prepped some of it last weekend, I think. So you're gonna need some of this for sure, and then you drop the mix. I'm gonna just drop it all because I'm gonna for sure be eating it all. And then you're gonna need about 25% of wine vinegar. I like to use wine vinegar, not the other one. I think this is the best one. That will be probably enough. And then you're gonna need olive oil. I use olive oil, I think is the best one for this. And that's gonna be for sure like another 60%, I wanna say 65%. And the other thing that I like to do is add fresh garlic if I have. If not, I would just like adding some of this one because garlic is gonna give it a really nice boost on the flavor. So this is how it looks on the inside. We're gonna scoop it just right now and mix it all together nicely, just like that. And you don't want it to be like super kind of like thick. You actually want it to have some, I want to say like some liquid texture. So let's put some oil, and that would actually make it to be enough. Now we have the 100% of the mix all together ready to go. So then you put it on the fridge. By the way, this is how it looks all together. Smells perfect already. That's it. This one is ready to go to the fridge, and you can use it for whatever you want. I like to put it on my meats when are in the grill, actually, not after. After will be really good, but also when they're in the grill is the best way. So this is a really good mix. I like it. For sure, I can vouch for it. And it will be a perfect replacement for the fresh ingredients for the chimichurri. This is a good one. I like it. I recommend it. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.